After installing this circuit, it is necessary to perform a pre-use check. This must be done prior to placing each patient on the life pulse. Power the life pulse on by using the toggle switch on the back of the device. Pause the high priority alarm that signifies power up. Attach a test lung to the patient end of the life port adapter. You can assemble a test lung using an endotracheal tube and the finger of a glove. The 15mm end of the life port adapter, which connects to the conventional circuit, should be open to air for these tests. Perform the system test by pressing the gray button next to the battery fuel gauge. You will hear 3 valves inside of the life pulse opening in succession, and a count-up of LED numbers begins. The alarm section will also illuminate. Make sure the audio indicators are also activated. If you receive a vent and op alarm with the code 2, 3, or 4 in the I to E ratio display, take the necessary steps to troubleshoot. The battery depleted alarm will also illuminate, although the issue may not be with the battery. Inspect all connections on the front panel, at the patient box, and at the test lung, including the purge and pressure monitoring tube. Power the life pulse off and back on to try the test again. After completing a successful systems test, the default settings will be displayed in the control section, and all zeros will appear in the monitored section. A high priority alarm will also be activated. If the alarm persists, call the Bunnell hotline at 800-800-HFJV. After completing the system test, perform the operational test by pressing the enter button and allowing the life pulse to run on a test lung until the ready light illuminates. This should take approximately 30 seconds. Assure that the PEEP is reading 0 on the life pulse during the operational test. If the PEEP is reading anything other than 0, the pressure transducer in the patient box could be out of calibration. While the life pulse is running on the test lung, switch the circuit breaker on the rear panel to the off position. This will force the life pulse to switch to battery power. The battery indicator light will illuminate battery in the alarm section, and a low priority alarm will be activated. If the battery fuel gauge displays one flashing red bar with a medium priority alarm, or the ventilator stops operating, the life pulse's battery should be further evaluated by calling the Bunnell hotline. Switch the circuit breaker back to the on position. The battery indicator light will turn off in the alarm section. Place the life pulse into standby, remove the test lung, and save for future use. Call the Bunnell hotline at any time for help.